Hey babes, welcome back to the channels. I'm back with a new video, and today I'm featuring Ywigs. Big thank you to Ywigs for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I will be reinstalling my Kinky straight feather crochet hair. The previous install I used these same crochet links for miracle knot braids. Today I will be doing a crochet full install. So this is my braid pattern. I really just have leave out in the middle. And the top, I left my edges out and a little bit in the nape in case I want to wear it in a ponytail. So the method that I use to crochet is the push-pull loop method. I push the needle through, then I pull the crochet hair through and loop it one time. So this is the same method that I'm using for the entire install. I do not loop the hair more than once. And the reason I don't do that is because I don't want to have to struggle when it comes to taking it down and avoid matting or tangling. Once I fill in both sides, I am going to move around to the back and I will show you the process in the back. This hair is still in the original state. I did not press this hair out or do anything else to this hair after the miracle knot install. So I will link that video at the end of this video and in the comments so you can check that out. But this is 5 packs of their Kinky straight feather crochet, and I have this in 22 inches. And for this install, I did use every single piece of hair. So with this hair, you basically get the look of a sew-in, but it's very lightweight and you can reuse this hair. But with crochet, it's a little more seamless and you're free to reinstall it without worrying about weft. So in the back, I'm pulling everything in the same direction and looping it one time, and then I just start to fill in the rest of the head as I get through the install. So I'm going to show you a little bit more from this angle and then we'll move along when we get to the side. So now I've moved on to the side and I am placing my crochet links close together. Not too close because I do still want this to be flat. I am able to pull this into a seamless ponytail when I'm done and a few other styles. So I do space them out with that in mind. But I don't want any gaps that are too big or too noticeable. So I'm going to continue to do this. And then we're going to move to the other side where I show you more. But I wanted to talk a little bit more about this hair because with this install, I was able to style this hair. In the original install with the miracle knots, I really just did the flat iron test where I pressed the hair out. But with this, I pressed the hair twice. So I passed it was like a 2-pass with the flat iron. And then I curl the hair. So not only does this hair straighten to give you more of like a yucky perm look, but you can also curl this hair. So you can achieve multiple different styles with this texture. So I'm going to continue to crochet the pieces in and then come back when we get a little further into the install. Man who made machines that want my baby side. So now I'm moving along, as I said, further up into the install. And I just wanted to give another tip. If this is going to be a style that you plan on wearing for an extended period of time, I would suggest doing anchor braids around the leave out, but I feel like the anchor braids would be beneficial to someone who plans on wearing this for an extended period of time. So as you can see, it's coming together, and I'm just checking here how flat the hair lays when I pull it back, and it is still laying really flat. So I'm going to continue to fill the pieces in as I get to the top, and then I'm going to come back when we get closer to the front where we start to blend the leave out. So I am just about all done here, and now I'm going to start pressing the hair out. I love how this hair straightens. It literally looks like pressed hair, blow dried hair. I love it. So I used a little bit of oil on this. Everything that I use will be linked in the description box, or it'll pop up here on the screen. And I do have my flat iron at like 450, and I pass it through one time using the comb chase method, and then I do that a second time, and that is how I achieved this beautiful pressed look. And I'm just going to repeat this process throughout the entire head, which did take a little while because remember, this is 5 packs of hair. You could also straighten the hair before installing it, which I guess some people would prefer that because that's less tension, but after installing it, that's when I decided to press mine out. So I'm going to continue to do this and then blend my leave out. So this is what it looks like, almost fully pressed out. And now I am hitting my edges. I did turn the flat iron down to press out my natural hair, and I didn't pass it through twice on my natural hair. I did one pass with the flat iron. So I'm going to do the same with my leave out, and then I will jump into a few other styles. Like I stated, I curl this hair, and I showed you that you can wear this hair in a ponytail. You can even put this up in like a claw clip. It's all about your foundation for braids. That's going to determine how you're able to style it. And as I stated before, if you use that anchor braid on the top, it's going to ensure longevity with the style. But this is the finished look. I think it looks so good. The blend is definitely on point, and I am 100% natural. So all the links for this hair will be down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, you can drop comments down below. I will be adding this to my crochet hair playlist, and if you want to see how this hair looked in the miracle knot style, be sure to check out the video at the end. Don't forget to like this video before leaving, and thank you once again to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.